really need some books, but I can't go to the library to browse. So what can I do?
I have the answer. I know what to do. The library has curbside pickup to get books and DVDs to you. First, use the online catalog to find items we have on the shelves. You can put a hold or call or email the library, and we'll find them for ourselves. We also have cool take-and-make crafts that you can request. We'll let you know when everything's ready, so you don't have to guess. Then come to the library during pickup hours in parking spot A, B, or C. Call the number on the sign and we'll bring the items to you just as quick as we can be.
That sounds great, thanks. I think I will call because I would also like to get a craft. 815-756-9568. Hello? I would like to order your latest craft and 2 books for curbside pickup. The first, Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling. The second, Captain Underpants by Dave Pilkey. What's that? I can order up to 15 items? Wow, 15? Well, then I'll also get How to Be a Pirate by Isaac Fitzgerald, and The Lorax by Dr. Seuss, and Olivia by Ian Falconer, and The Wonky Donkey by Craig Smith, and... Now that I'm here, I need to call the number on the sign and tell them that I'm here. Hi, my name is John, and I'd like to pick up my order. The last 4 digits of my card are 1701. Alright, thank you. Now put on my mask so we can keep everyone safe.
Hello, dear patron. Here are your books and your crafts.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoy them. Don't forget to return them before the due date is passed.
Thank you, but really, no more rhymes now, I mean it.
Anybody want a peanut?